Hi, good morning. My name is Rosie Wickland, and I bought this Asus laptop from Media. Hope I'm saying that right. And I actually bought three. Two are great. One has a problem. Okay, so here we've got some Great British Baking. Everything's great, but I have external speakers plugged in. I'm going to pause this. And when I unplug these external speakers, the internal speakers should take over and start working, but it doesn't. So it seems to think it's playing. I can open up sound settings and see the master volume. It thinks it's playing, and I can troubleshoot. It's detecting problems. I'm gonna troubleshoot the speakers, though I have done the other part too, dozens of times. Open up audio enhancements. It's going to tell me to turn off anything extra I have turned on. I don't have anything extra turned on. Now it says play test sounds. And it says it's playing these sounds, and it could take a minute, and I didn't hear anything. Again, nothing plugged in over here. My internal speakers should be working. And it says restart now. I can restart, and sometimes that makes the sound turn back on, but then as soon as I plug in a headphone, it stops working. And my friend who's good at tech explained to me that this is almost always because the jack port is broken, and so it's not flipping back over. Sometimes it's driver issues, so I contacted Asus and I followed everything on their tutorial. So I restored it to factory settings. I updated all the drivers. I spent, I want to say, like 12 hours working on it. And it's just nothing I can fix despite a really good effort. Okay, so let's log back in. Do we have sound? Let's see. I'm going to come over to my sound slider and see if it... Yeah, I got no sound. Try it again. Nothing. I'm going to plug back in my external speakers, and hopefully it'll make some sounds now. Yeah, now you can hear the sounds, but only through external speakers. It would seem that the internal speaker or the jack port is broken, and I'm bummed because the other two laptops were great, and it's otherwise been a really good experience. Okay.